If your Windows 11 laptop has been slow, lagging, or freezing, this quick guide is going to make it feel brand new again. Stick with me. These steps are simple, safe, and extremely effective. Let's jump right in. First, open your Start menu, search for Settings, and head into Windows Update. Tap Check for updates. Keeping Windows fully updated is one of the easiest ways to eliminate hidden bugs and improve performance. If you see any updates, go ahead and download and install them. Once that's done, go back to the left sidebar and click System, then Storage. At the top, make sure Storage Sense is turned on. Now click on it, scroll down, and hit Run Storage Sense now. This will automatically clear temporary files and other junk that slows your PC down. After it finishes, go back and select Cleanup Recommendations. You'll see a list of areas where you can safely clean up space. Check everything you don't need and press Clean Up to free up valuable storage. Next, let's speed up your visual performance. Open the Start menu again and search for Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Select Custom and then uncheck the animations you don't need. Animate controls and elements, fade or slide menus, fade or slide tooltips, fade out menu items, slide open combo boxes. Click Apply and then OK. These small visual tweaks alone can noticeably reduce lag. Now, let's clean even deeper. Open the Start menu, search Disk Cleanup, and launch it. Choose Cleanup System Files. Once it loads, check every item in the list. These are all safe to delete, and press OK, then delete files. Next step, reduce what starts up with your computer. Go back to Settings, choose Apps, then Startup. You'll see all the apps that automatically launch when your PC turns on. Disable anything you don't use daily. The fewer apps starting in the background, the faster your laptop will run. Finally, one last optimization. Open the Start menu, search for Run, and open it. Type msconfig. In the Services tab, check Hide all Microsoft services. This is important. Then click Disable All, followed by Apply and OK. Restart your computer, and you should instantly feel the improvement. That's it. Your Windows 11 laptop should now run smoother, faster, and without constant freezing. If this helped you out, drop a comment below and let me know how much performance you gained. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.